Mastering possessive pronouns with, "Is this coat yours?" Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common but important phrase, "Is this coat yours?" Understanding this phrase is not just about the words themselves, but also about grasping the concept of possessive pronouns and how they are used in everyday English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, "Is this coat yours?" is a question, but it's not just any question. It's one that involves identifying the owner of an item. In this case, a coat. This phrase is composed of a few key parts. Is used to ask about the item in question, pointing to or indicating a specific thing that is close by. Yours is what we call a possessive pronoun, which means it is used to indicate ownership. Other examples include mine, his, hers, ours, and theirs. When you put it all together, you're essentially asking if the coat belongs to the person you're speaking to. Possessive pronouns are crucial in English because they help us talk about ownership without repeating the owner's name or the noun. For example, instead of saying, "Is this coat belonging to you?" we simplify it to, "Is this coat yours?" It makes the conversation flow more smoothly and naturally. It's also important to note that possessive pronouns change form depending on the subject. For instance, mine, for I, yours, for you, his, for he, hers, for she, ours, for we, theirs, for they. Understanding these variations is key to mastering the use of possessive pronouns in English. Let's look at how this phrase can be used in different contexts. Imagine you're at a party and you see a coat that looks similar to yours. You might ask the person next to you, "Is this coat yours?" to clarify ownership before you mistakenly take it home. Here are a few more examples where this question might come up. In a classroom setting, where someone left a coat behind. At a friend's house, if you find a coat and aren't sure whose it is. In a lost and found situation, asking if someone recognizes the coat as theirs. Each scenario requires you to identify the owner of an item, and asking, "Is this coat yours?" is a polite and straightforward way to do so. There you have it. Understanding and using the phrase, "Is this coat yours?" is a great way to practice possessive pronouns and improve your conversational English. Remember, it's all about identifying ownership in a clear and polite manner. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today.